Do you have a gas stove at home covered in tough, oily grime or burnt-on black stains from cooking? If so, you need this simple 3-ingredient mix. Just wipe it on and watch the grease disappear instantly without any heavy scrubbing or tiring effort. Whether it's your stove, your kitchen sink, or even rusty metal gates, this trick makes everything shine like new. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our ingredients. Take 1 fresh lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into your mixing bowl. Next, add a little bit of your regular toothpaste. Any brand works, but a white cream style paste is usually the best choice. Now, whisk the mixture vigorously until the toothpaste dissolves and it turns into a light, bubbly foam. Once it's well combined, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Adding soap helps cut through extra oily surfaces, especially if you're cleaning pots or pans. Finally, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, the kind you use for baking, and give it another good stir. If you find the mixture is too thick or dry, simply take the other half of the lime and squeeze the remaining juice into the bowl. Keep stirring until you see the liquid consistency you need for a smooth cleaning agent. Once you have a concentrated taste, it's time to dilute it. Add about 100 milliliters of water to the bowl to thin it out slightly, which makes it much easier to work with when applying to surfaces. Now pour the mixture into a bottle. Once it's in, look at the level, then add an equal amount of water to double the volume. Give the bottle a good shake to blend it perfectly. Keep the cap slightly loose, and you're ready to go. You won't need to add anything else when you're ready to clean. Now, let's put our solution to the test. First, let's tackle these stubborn, dark cooking stains on the gas stove. Simply take a tissue, add a little bit of your cleaning solution, and gently wipe the affected area. Whether you use a tissue or an old sponge, you'll see the grime lift away in just a few quick motions. It really is that easy. If you encounter a spot that's been stuck for months and won't come off immediately, here's a pro tip. Saturate a tissue with the solution and lay it directly over the stubborn area. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to break down the buildup. Afterward, simply wipe it away, and you'll see your stove surface looking bright, clean, and completely refreshed. Next, let's take care of the kitchen sink, which often collects stubborn hard water spots. Watch how this simple solution transforms it from dull to sparkling clean. Simply pour a little bit of the solution onto an old sponge. Gently scrub the entire surface of the sink. You can use this same method for your bathroom sink, too. Once you've scrubbed it thoroughly, rinse it off with clean water. Look at that, it's bright, shiny, and looks brand new again. Now, besides cleaning your sinks, you can also use this powerful solution to get rid of unsightly rust stains. It works wonders on metal gates or window frames. Just pour a bit of the liquid onto an old sponge and get ready to wipe away the corrosion. Just like before, gently scrub the rusted area. You'll be amazed at how quickly the rust starts to break down and come off with just a few light swipes of the sponge. And there you have it, a clean, rust-free surface. Wasn't that simple? I hope you found these DIY tips helpful. Please share this video with your loved ones so they can save money on cleaning supplies, too. Don't forget to follow for more life hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.